Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I want to open a bank account.
Welcome. Please have a seat.
Thank you very much.
May I see your ID card, please?
Sure. Here it is.
Thank you. Everything looks fine.
I'm glad to hear that.
Please fill out this application form.
Okay, I will fill it out now. Excuse me, I need some help.
Of course. How can I help?
I don't understand this section.
Let me explain it. What type of account would you like?
I want a savings account. A savings account?
Is a good choice.
Thank you.
Would you like to make your first deposit?
Yes, please.
How much would you like to deposit?
5,000 rupees.
Here is your deposit receipt.
Thank you.
Let me check your application once again.
Sure.
Everything is correct.
That's wonderful. When will I receive my ATM card?
Within 5 working days.
Can I use mobile banking?
Yes, you can. Let me show you the app.
Wow, that's easy. How do I activate it?
I will activate it for you today.
Can I use online banking too?
Yes, it is very easy. Please choose a 4-digit PIN.
Okay.
Keep your PIN secret.
I will.
Your account has been created successfully.
That's great news.
Everything is all set. Here are your account details.
Thank you very much. Is there anything else I should know?
Please keep your documents safe. Thank you for choosing our bank.
You're welcome.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Have a nice day too.